We're in a typical hotel room, exploring to see if we can find any bed bugs. We don't want to add any extra work to what you currently do, but we have found that there are a few specific things that you can do that will really help bed bugs not become a serious problem. What we've learned is the most important thing is to be alert, to be watching. When you come in that room, pay attention. That will really help us reduce bed bug problems. Besides just looking for the actual bed bugs, you also should look for signs bed bugs leave behind. These include small, sometimes round, ink-like stains. This is the excrement bed bugs leave after feeding on blood. Bed bugs also shed their skin, a lot like snakes do. So you should be on the lookout for skins that have been cast off. Well, now let's really get into the nuts and bolts of the inspection. When you come into a room, you're going to start up here with the pillows and take the pillowcase off. Pay attention around the edges here. Bed bugs often will be hiding in areas around the tag or even around the corners. Once you've done that, just start working your way back. And what I'd ask you to do is just start paying attention. Bed bugs could be hiding anywhere. As you pull it off, though, pay really close attention as you're pulling the sheets off, particularly the fitted area. Here at the back side, right around the edge of the mattress is a great place that bed bugs would like to hide. Now remember, you may not see the live bed bugs, but those fecal smears are an indication that bed bugs are actually there. We also know that the tag is another place that bed bugs like to hide. Underneath the edges here, they could be hiding, so just check that really quickly. And also, if there's a tear in the mattress, be very careful about looking there. Bed bugs may be slipping in and out of that location. Well, what should you do if you find bed bugs? And we recommend that you take some type of a vial like this, or even just a Ziploc bag, and put the bed bugs in it. The reason for this is that your management or maintenance folks will want to confirm that they're bed bugs, and then when the pest control professional comes as well, this will indicate for sure that it's a bed bug problem. Well, though bed bugs are called bed bugs, they're also associated with other areas in the room. And so let's look at some other places they may be hiding. We did a study here in Atlanta and found that 70% of the time if you have bed bugs, they'll be associated with the headboard. So kind of look at that, and even though you probably won't be taking it off the wall. Also, the picture that's close to the bed, look behind that also and just see if you can find any of those fecal smears or bed bugs. Bed bugs will like to be in about a 5 or 6 foot radius of the bed, so look around in other areas. The furniture and even things on the furniture like the phone or the lamp could be places that bed bugs would be hiding. So remember that your inspection when you're cleaning the room will really be valuable to help eliminate bed bug problems.
Well, now that you've learned what to look for when you're working in a room as far as bed bugs go, what happens if we find bed bugs? What do you do then? Well, if you've not removed any linens or anything from the room, don't. Leave everything in the room as you found it. But let's say we've stripped the linens or we've been vacuuming in the room when we discover the bed bugs. Well, what first you want to do is you want to pull the cart all the way into the room. Here we have some linens that have been taken from an infested bed. Well, if you have done this, then you want to bag up those linens, tie it off, and then put this back on the cart. If you've been vacuuming, that vacuum cleaner needs to stay in the room. Please do not remove it. Now you want to make sure to pull the drapes and turn off the lights. Do not adjust the thermostat. You may have heard that that can be very helpful when the pest specialist comes out, but actually you can cause the bed bugs to migrate to other rooms, spreading the infestation. The main thing here with keeping the linens and everything in the room and not adjusting the thermostat is to keep the bed bugs in this room. We do not want to spread them. Immediately inform your management that you found bed bugs, and as you learned about collecting a sample, if you've collected a sample, please provide that to them, and then they'll need to call a pest control professional.
We hope you have learned what you can do to help in the fight against bed bugs.
As you can see, one bed bug can become a really big problem. That's why it's so important to do your part in early bed bug detection.